Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Big Lots. Oh yes guys, they have a sale for Memorial Day on all of their patio furniture. 20% off, so let me show you what they have. Alrighty guys, this sectional, it is on the sale today. And this sectional original price was $1,100, but it is on sale for $930. All right, another cute little set here. It's on sale for $500. The original price was $600. Okay. Flag is $6. It says God bless America. This little heart-shaped wreath is $20. The burlap bow is $7. There's Mr. Known, guys. We can't get rid of him. It's $13. Yeah, got a lot of nice items. This is a metal welcome sign for $13. Alrighty. Uh-oh. Look at here, guys. Mr. Rooster. Another cutie for $15.
Welcome to Biglots, America's discount home store.
The tablecloths are $5. 2 embroidered pack hand towels, they're $6. Okay. Red, white, and blue. They also have these candles, Sectionals wax candles for $10. Look at Mr. Known sitting down. This one is $10. All right, well, since you asked me, let me tell them about you. How much are you, buddy? All of that fussing and you don't have the price for me. Here we go, $15. I had to work for that. Now you do better next time. Oh my goodness. Cute as a button. So all the swim accessories, they're 20% off. The pools. The pools are $80 before the 20% off. Okay, more pool accessories over here. Like this Mr. Monster Sprinkler, it is $30 before the 20% off. Inflatable platform here is $80. Oh my goodness, this is nice. Big sprinkler, $23. All summer toys, 20% off. Okay. More toys here. Ooh. Yes. Okay. More games, 20% off. This is the darts and soccer set. Giant inflatable 2-in-1 for $35 before the 20% off. This is the basketball and soccer game, $25. Soccer arcade game, $75. Okay, this curling game is $60. Okay. All on sale, guys, 20% off. Okay guys, so we have this Bancroft sofa and ottoman set. It's a 3-piece set. The original price is $550. It is on sale for $400. Yes, nice. The San Marino glider chair set, a set of 2, which is going to be that chair right there. A set of 2 is $480. The original price was $600. And we have the coffee table for $60. The original price was $100. Okay. 317-gallon heavy-duty garden shed for $270. Alrighty. Ooh. Okay. This is nice. Alrighty. Oh, yes. Unfortunately, our screen house is not on sale, guys. It is still $2,500, but it is still worth it. Oh, yes, but we do have something in here on sale, which is this coffee table. It is $60. The original price was $100. Okay, so the greenhouse, here it goes right here. Isn't that beautiful? And it opens in the front. It opens from the front and the back. Oh, yes. This triple vent umbrella, it is 15 feet. It is on sale for $160. The original price was $200. Great price on this, guys. Woo! It is huge. Ooh, that is so worth it. Alrighty. This patio table, it is $230. The original price was $300. And the ottomans down there is a 2-pack. And the ottomans, let's see, they're on sale for $230. The original price was $250. And the sectional, it is on sale for $900. The original price is $1,150. This is the sectional. Okay. Well, alrighty. Yes, guys, this gravity chair, it is not on sale, but it is only $60, and I think that's a great deal for that chair. 11 by 11 pop-up sun shelter. It is by Real Living. It is on sale for $95, and the original price is $130. More toys, 20% off. Oh, yes, this 2-pack foam air blaster. It is $6.99. Now, all the prices I'm giving you guys is going to be the original price and not the 20% off price. Okay, this one, same one. All these big balls. Build your team. Mega Pokemon. Oh my goodness. All of these, guys. All of these toys are 20% off. This cute little rocking horse, 20% off. Okay, the original price is $50. Power band hockey, $30. Okay, build a fort. Okay, $75. Alrighty. Well, I am not mad at these deals, guys. Oh, yes. Not bad at all. Well, all right, friends, that's all we have here today at Big Lots. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.